Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I dehydrate my peppers that I pick from the garden. These can be super hot peppers, they could be just regular peppers if you want to. But I tend to get so many peppers that I dehydrate a whole bunch of them. So, of course, you're going to need peppers, and as you can see, I have a whole bunch. Make sure you rinse them off first. And you're going to need, counter's wet, some near light gloves. If not, your fingers are going to be burning. You'll need a cutting board, and you'll need a knife, of course, and a dehydrator. And I'll show you which dehydrator I use in a bit. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I like to cut mine in half first. I found that some of these can be bad. If you cut them open, you'll see sometimes there could be moldy or something inside, so just to be on the safe side, I always cut mine in half and look. And as you can see, this one's perfectly beautiful. Let's try this red one. Feels a little bit soft, so let's see how this one looks. Pull the stem off and see it's a bit soft. I think this is scorpion pepper, but not scorpion, but I can't remember the name again. Keep forgetting it. See, this one looks okay too. It's a little soft, but it'll be fine for drying purposes. Let's try this one. Pull that stem off. Let's cut her open. Boy, those peppers are hot. You could really smell them. See, it's beautiful inside too, so no problem there. So I'll process all these peppers and then I'll show you how they look in the dehydrator. So once you're done cutting them up, you'll arrange them on your tray, like so. Lift it a little higher, like that. And then you will put them in the dehydrator, and after a few days, you'll get these. Well, they weren't exactly like these. These are different ones I dehydrated. These are the Reza Macedonias and the cayenne type peppers, I believe. Well, I'm forgetting a lot of stuff. Goodness gracious. Mall's Red Hot. Sorry about that. They'll be nice and crispy, as you'll see here in a second. Here they are, all dehydrated. Probably hear it crack. Nice and crunchy. So then you're going to want to store them in a nice good storage bag. Zip it up. Now they will get soft after a while, so you'll kind of want to use them after, I don't know, a few months or something. So they will get a bit soft after a while. So I never tried this, but I think you could probably just put them back in the dehydrator again to dry them out again. Or you can put them in like a food sealer type bag, and that'll last even longer. I've done that too. And the good thing about these is you can make them into dust. You can make them into like crushed, red pepper, hot peppers. Or you can rehydrate them again and use them however you want, like in a hot sauce or something like that. So this dehydrator I use is actually one that I got at Aldi. It was, I think, $20 when I got it, so I thought it was a good deal. It doesn't have a fan or anything, but I mean, it does the job. Sometimes I think they get a little too dried out, because this one here looks like it's kind of burnt or something with that dark red color, but I'm not sure. Oh, and one other thing, when you're dehydrating the super hot peppers, make sure you put them in like the basement or something, because the fumes are just going to really get to you. So when they start drying, the fumes are pretty much gone. So, but like for a day, yeah, it's going to be pretty bad. So you're going to want to put them in the basement. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.